Hello and welcome back. My name is Mina Sabzian. I'm a graphic designer. Today we want to see some stunning gradients which we can use them in our new project, especially in Figma for mobile application or web design. Now you can open Photoshop or Figma, it's up to you. I prepared them and now I'm going to show you what are their names and what is the color code of them. You can see them and you can save it and you can use it in different situation in your work. The first gradient's name is childcare and the color code is FDE7EA. And the second one is FDEFDA. The second one is Juicy Peach, as you can see here. The color code is FFC2C2 and FFD7A8. They are so beautiful and you can use in your project. Another one which we can see here is Ocean Blue and the color code is A0 or AO, BEF8 and second one is B5 F0F0 and the name is Ocean Blue. And next one is Celestial. I hope that I pronounce it correctly. And the color code is 3378FF. And next is 9442EF. Another one is Amor. And the color code is EB4174FFE3E3. Next one is Purple Lake. The color code is C15CFF FF5454. Another one is Almost. Color code is 59E7FE DAFC and FC. The next one is Plume Plate. Color code is 8A2EFF CCE0FF. And the last pair is Soft Grass, is the group of the green and the color code is 9EF9D8 CRF6BF. And the last one is Lush or Lush, I don't know how to pronounce it. The color code is 1AA37A 9DFFB3. These gradients are so beautiful and I thought that the introduction of Figma with this color gradient can be great and you are going to use them in your new project in the future. I wish this gradient can help you and you are going to use them in your design work. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe the channel and hit the bell button to be informed about next videos. And see you in next time. Bye.